Okay, so I've had these braids for about 2.5 months, and as you can see, this is the new growth. I would say that's about an inch. So this is just a clear view of how much you can see from different angles. So if anyone wants to know or compare themselves to someone else and their hair growth, well, here's mine. Now, I do believe that everybody's hair grows at different rates, and it just depends on a lot of variables. This is just what happened to mine at this point in time. So, I will also show you the back. Excuse the lighting. Yes, so it's quite a bit. I have pretty much a little afro growing out of my head, and then braids basically extending out from that. So that's what it is.